Taylor's expansion. F of x plus h equal to f of x plus h upon 1 factorial into f dash x plus h square by 2 factorial into f double dash x plus h cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash x plus and so on h raised to n upon n factorial into f of x raised to n, that is n times derivative plus and so on. Here the following assumptions will be made. One, any function which will be considered is capable of being expanded in this form. Number two, subject in some cases to certain conditions, the series is convergent. So addition goes to a certain number. And third, the successive derivative f dash x, f double dash x, f triple dash x, f ample dash x all exist. In accordance with assumption 1, we assume that f of x plus h can be expanded in ascending powers of h as f of x plus h equal to a naught plus a1h plus a2h square plus a3h cube plus and so on, where the coefficients a naught, a1, a2 are the function of x but do not contain h. Since this is true for all values of h, let h equal to 0. Then on substitution in equation 1, this you find a naught is f of x. Since the series in equation 1 is an identity, you can assume that if you differentiate both the sides with respect to h, keeping x constant, the result in each case will be another identity, f dash x plus h. This one, f of x. So 0 derivative of this plus a1 into x, derivative of x is 1, 2a2 into x, 3a3 into x square plus 4a4 into x square and so on. Since f dash x equal to 0, when we differentiate with respect to h as x is kept constant. Number 2, f double dash x plus h, further derivative. So 2a2, 3 into 3a3 into 2h, that is 3 into 2 into a 3h. 4a4 into 3h square, that is 4 into 3 into a4 into a square and so on. F triple dash, further derivative, this term is 0, 3 into 2 into a3, h derivative of h is 1, 4 into 3 into a4 into 2h. So adjusting the term 4 into 3 into 2 into a4h and so on. Higher derivative. In all these results, put h equal to 0. From equation 1, f dash x is a1, all the rest term contains h, so f dash x is a1. F double dash x is 2a2. If we place h equal to 0 in this equation, f triple dash x is 3 into 2 into a3. These are 0 terms. So a1 is f dash x, a2 is f double dash x on 2 factorial, a3 is f triple dash x on 3 factorial, and so on. An is n times derivative of f of x upon n factorial. Now, and so on, substituting for these in equation 1, you obtain Taylor's expansion. F of x plus h equal to f of x plus h upon 1 factorial into f dash x, h square upon 2 factorial into f double dash x, h cube upon 3 factorial into f triple dash x, plus and so on, h raised to n upon n factorial f of x raised to n, that is n times derivative. Now Maclaurin series. It's a special case of Taylor series. You obtain it first by putting x equal to 0 in this equation, and then for convenience replacing h by x. And this is possible since Taylor's expansion is true for all values of x and h. It is an identity. Therefore, let x equal to 0 and replace h by x. Then Taylor's expansion becomes f of x equal to f of 0 plus f dash 0 upon 1 factorial into x raised to 1 plus f double dash 0 upon 2 factorial into x square plus f triple dash 0 upon 3 into x cube and so on. N times derivative of f of 0 upon n factorial into x raised to n. Example, expand log of 1 plus x as a series of ascending power of x. F of x is log 1 plus x, so f of 0 log 1 is 0. F dash x is 1 upon 1 plus x, so then f dash 0 is 1 upon 1 plus 0, that is 1. F double dash x, so minus 1 upon 1 plus x, x whole square. If we put x0, then f double dash 0 is minus 1 by 1, so minus 1. F triple dash x, so further derivative, it gives this 1 into 2 upon 1 plus x whole cube. Then f triple dash 0, putting x equal to 0, we get 1 into 2 upon 1, so 2, and so on. Nth derivative of f of x minus 1 raised to n plus 1, general formula, into n minus 1 factorial upon 1 plus x square. It gives, if you put x equal to 0, f of 0 raised to n, that is nth derivative at x equal to 0, minus 1 raised to n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. This one. Substituting the values in Maclaurin series. F of x equal to log 1 plus x. It is f of 0 plus f dash 0 upon 1 factorial into x, f double dash 0 upon factorial into x square. So putting these values, f dash 0, f double dash 0, triple dash 0, etc. we have x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x to 4 by 4 plus and so on minus 1 raised to n x square upon n plus and so on. Using this, we can find any logarithm after coding using computer 1 plus x. Suppose I want to find log 5, so log of 1 plus 4. So putting x equal to 4 up to 50,000 terms, etc., we can find log 5.